Good morning, students. This is your maths class, and today we are going to start a new chapter, which is chapter number 6, and the title of the chapter is division. Okay, so first we'll understand what does division mean. Okay, division means distributing equal quantities in equal groups. Keep this in mind. Okay, it will help you to solve the questions that are given in the beginning of the chapter. What does division mean? It means distributing equal quantities, okay, equal quantities in equal groups. Okay, it is denoted by the symbol. This is the symbol of division. Okay, the number to be divided is the dividend. Okay, the number which you are dividing is called dividend. The number by which we divide is the divisor, and the number by which you are dividing the number, okay, the given number is called divisor. Okay, once again, the number to be divided is the dividend. The number by which we divide is the divisor. Okay, the answer we get is the quotient. Okay, the answer that we get, okay, is called the quotient. Okay, so the first one here, the first question given is divide equally by forming groups. 16 sandwiches among 4 children. Okay, if you count the sandwiches given here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, you are dividing 16 sandwiches among 4 children. So what can you do is you divide 16 by 4. Okay, how much with what number will you, if you multiply, okay, 4, will you get 16? It is 4 4 the 16. So 16 can be divided by 4 with 4. Okay, so the answer is already given here. If you look at the picture properly, okay, the 16 sandwiches, okay, are divided into 4 groups, 4 children. You can count this as 4 children. Okay, 4 children, and the sandwiches, you have to divide the sandwiches equally among the 4 children. 16 sandwiches. So how many sandwiches does each children is getting? 1 2 3 4. The answer is 4 over here. So again, the number which you are dividing, okay, is called dividend. The number which you, the number to be divided is called dividend, which is 16. The number by which you are dividing is called divisor, and the answer that you get is called the quotient. Okay, now the second question is 12 ice creams among 6 children. Okay, you have got 12 ice creams. You have to divide it among 6 children. Okay, now again, if you look at the picture, okay, you will get the answer from the picture itself, but here we have to understand how to do the calculation. By what number will 6 divide 12? Okay, you can also say that with, if you multiply what number, if you multiply what number with 6, will you get 12? Okay, the answer is, you have to know your multiplication very clearly in order to do division. Okay, so 6 2 is 12. Okay, so what will be the number that you will divide 12 by 6? It will be 2, since 6 2 is 12. Okay, now divide using repeated subtraction. Okay, so what kind of question is this? Here you have got a number, okay, 28 is divided by 7, but you have to divide using repeated subtraction. Okay, I'll show you the example, okay, for question number A. B and C will be done by you. Okay. So whenever you start a new chapter, you write chapter number 6, okay, and the title of the chapter, and you start doing your work, whichever work is to be done in your copies. So the question over here is divide using repeated subtraction. Okay, you have to even write this question. Okay, here I've done it in a shortcut method. Okay, just written the question number, okay, and the question. Okay, but when you are doing your work, write this question also, okay, in order to understand what you are doing. Okay, so divide using repeated subtraction. Okay, the answer you can get is 7 fours is 28. Okay, but here you have to divide using repeated subtraction. That is, you are going to divide 28 by 7 every time, okay, until you get 0. Okay, so 28 minus 7, okay, is 21. Again you will subtract with 7. Okay, here you will take 1 from here. Okay, so this number will be 11. Okay, and 11 minus 7 will be 4. Okay, you bring this number down, it will be 14. Again you will subtract it by 7. Okay, now 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, now again you have got 7 over here. You will subtract it by 7. You will get 0. Okay, so how many times did you subtract 28 by 7? Okay, in order to get 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? It is 4 times that you subtract 28 by 7, okay, in order to get 0. So 7 fours is equal to 28. Okay, or 28 can be divided by 7 by 4. Okay, so similarly you will do question number B and C. Now another question number 3. For each multiplication fact, write 2 division facts. Okay, here they have given 1 multiplication fact. Okay, you have to write 2 division facts. Okay, how will you do it? You can see here question number A, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Okay, now you will take this number and divide it by each of the number, and the number which you are dividing it, okay, dividing 20 with, okay, will be look at this. Okay, you take 20, first you divided it with 4. Okay, you know that 4 5s is 20. Okay, or you can even look at the number that is given here. Okay, or simply write it here. Okay, again you will take this number which is quotient. Okay, sorry, quotient is in case of division. Okay, this is the number that you will get after multiplying 4 into 5. Again, now you have divided 20 with 4 already. Now you will divide 20 with 5. Okay, again you know that 5 fours are 20. Okay, so 20 will be divided by 5 by with 4. Okay, or you can see that a number that is left over here is 4. Simply write 4. Okay, I will do one more. Okay, here you will see you have got 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 56. Okay, you will divide it first with 8. Okay, now how much is 56? Okay, how much with what number if you multiply 8 will you get 56? It is 7. Okay, 8 sevens are 56. Okay, again you will write 56. Now you will divide it by 7. Okay, now again with what number will you, if you multiply 7, okay, will you get 56? It is 8. 7 8s is 56. Or you can simply see write the number which is left over here. Okay, so this is how you do this question. You will do question number 6 by yourself. Now divide and find the quotient. Okay, how you will divide and find the quotient. Okay, here you are dividing 30 by 5. Now 5 into what number is equal to 30? It is 5 6 is 30. So you will write 6 over here. You will write 30 over here. You get 0. Okay. Similarly, you will do B and C. Okay. Now, if you turn the page to page number 74, okay, you will see at the top there are 2 questions. Okay. Now, question number 5, there is written there are 8 flower pots. Okay. There are how many flower pots? 8 flower pots, each having equal number of flowers. So each flower pot has equal number of flowers. In all if in all there are 72 flowers in total. Okay, in among the 8 flower pots, in total there are 72 flowers. How many flowers are there in each flower pot? How will you do it? You will divide 72 by 8. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, there are 72 flowers in total. Okay, and you have to divide it among 8 flower pots. Okay, so with what number if you multiply 8, okay, will you get 72? It is 8 9s are 72. So this is your answer for question number 6. Again you can see it is written in a section of class 3. Okay, there are 45 students. The teacher wishes to divide them in 5 groups for some activity. How many students will be there in each group? Now again you are dividing 45 students in 5 groups in equal numbers. So you have to divide 45 by 5. 45 is divided by 5. What will be the answer? 5 into what number is 45? Can you tell me? Just think of it. Okay, and write the answer over here. Okay, for question number 6. Okay.